Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? Your neck out of woods. What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Dongayard. Other pretty? Everything correct? Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more to the Jamaican cooking journey. And if you're new right on over here, special welcome to you. Please do enjoy. I feel so you never miss me, you know. But guess what? The back of kitchen again. Yeah, man. Everything, Chris. Yeah. Now today, this video. I want to introduce you to the Jamaican, the baking of the Jamaican potato pudding. This is what this video is all about. We are gonna bake potato pudding, but not in another video. I want to talk to you a little bit about the Jamaican potato pudding. The very first thing when you say you are gonna make Jamaica potato pudding, you have to have one of them. There are some updated or upgraded version where you blend it in your blender, you put it in your food processor. Because everybody you try cut out yourself. But I know that you're trying to cut out this version of it. But can I say something to you? This is the authentic way to create a potato in Jamaica. You know, we got one thing we change the potato to potato. And if you want to know more about the pot more, you gotta hop right on over to my other channel, which is the Jamaican Debbie Debs. We're doing some patwa and all of that, translation and all of that over there. Now, you've got to have a Jamaican grater, number one. You got to have a whole sequence, a pudding pan. These are what we call pudding pan. But as patwa nation, we have to change it and call it pudding pan. So I honestly say me a real Jamaican, you know, by birth. This is the smallest one. This is another one. This is another one. This is another one. Normally, you know, try bake pudding. Yeah, you can bake pudding in this, but I will part along the pudding I take because it's deep. So we can bake a pudding in this, you know. Yeah, but it's you would have probably make the pudding stop 3/4 because the depth it would take so long to be. I'm going to show you one of the real good up size potato pudding one of the day, you know. So now this one we mostly use it for the escovitch fish. Yeah, deep and we can pack one per fish. And if you have not yet checked out the escovitch fish video, I'm going to leave the link in the description. Even though we are talking about potato pudding of this video because escovitch potato, authentic Jamaican food and nothing. This one now is the one that we put out a door. Ella top, Ella bottom, hallelujah in the middle. This is like this size and maybe if your stove is big enough you can put it in there. This is a smaller version. This one is a smaller version. If you notice it, I try deep. Alright? And this now is like the smallest. I don't know if they have smaller pun pan and this, but they have all bigger and we have them in wider sizes. You know, the wider ones would be more like this. Like this depth, but way wider. Yeah, you see all them? They may have it before what people can fill up, you know, you see they all, but they are durable. Now, you want to have some pudding pan, okay? And I told you about it. Now, this is, we use coconut juice. This is a type. Camera girl, could you please get in on this? It's early in the morning, y'all. We are videoing and she's not a morning person, but me, I'm a morning smaddy. So, this is the type of coconut that you use for the potato pudding. Not the bone dry ones that you use for rundown and to make coconut oil. No. This is the coconut, the green coconut to get that nice, juicy, milky, thick, rich milk. Green coconut. Okay. You have to search for some yellow belly potato. This is what we call Jamaican yellow belly sweet potato. When the potato have this color, it's better. Yeah, better. You can use the white one too, you know. But this is the main one where we use for the pudding. This is a piece of yellow yam. You'll see what I'll be using it for. If you're on the Jamaican cooking journey, you'll realize that this is the bread from the big boy sandwich, cabbage sandwich. We never throw it where we're gonna need it. This is a must. And I'm going to show you how you deal with this. Because I don't understand how people deal with the ginger and the pudding. You can't come with half cup of sugar. When you are going to make potato pudding in Jamaica, you have to come with a sugar bottle. Boom. You're going to need some margarine. We're going to need little breadcrumbs, of course. And I'm going to probably need a little light flour, which is pastry flour. Hello. Don't look for cornmeal right here. Me, no cornmeal in my potato pudding. We're trying to get a potato pudding with a soft texture. Not a potato pudding with the texture of a brillo pad. No. Well, of course, we're going to need a little salt. We're going to use a little extra milk for richness. And these are our spices. We are going to need a little extra nutmeg. And we're going to need this part, which is the mace of the nutmeg. I'm going to show you how we deal with it in the direct potato pudding video, which is to follow. This is just the introduction to my Jamaican potato pudding video. This is the introduction. This is a I prepare. I'm going to prepare, you know. I'm going to go now. I'm going to go peel. And when you peel your potato, you have to leave it in some water. Don't leave it by itself. It will be harder to grate. When it's submerged in the water, each time you take out a piece, it grates easily. Okay? So, this is just like basically what this video is all about. So, I hope you will find it informative. Please to like, share, and most of all, please do subscribe. And when you subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell. All kind of notification, bangaranga galang. Please remember to go and read that as soon as the videos have been released, you are on it. Nobody stay there and hit the bell, and when you look at 2, 3, 4, 1 week pass, you see me a text along to upload? I have uploaded, so please keep your notification on so you can stay in touch with me. Remember again, if you have liked it, please thumbs me up. Thank you so much. Debbie from Dongayard, bless. Make sure your notification is on. See ya.